What's going on? It's Sean. We're back at it again. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a full day of eating.
Nerf this!
So my diet right now is currently in a cut, so I'm gonna be in a caloric deficit. So every time I have a meal, I'm gonna put the calories and the macros on the screen so you can see and get that idea. And my goal with this video is to really give you a realistic full day of eating. I'm not really gonna hold back on what I eat or try to make it look like I eat like the most clean diet ever. It's just gonna be what I really consume. And currently I am fasting. It's the weekend, so I'm gonna fast a little bit less longer than I normally would. It is about 11 o'clock. The only thing I'm gonna have right now is my pre-workout, and then we're gonna hit the gym. We're gonna hit a leg day today, and then we'll have the first meal afterward. All right, so I'm just gonna make my pre-workout shake. All I got here is the Redcon 1 supplements. Total War is the pre-workout, and then the big noise is pump formula. I also got a Focus supplement. It's from a company called Awaken Alchemy, and I really feel like it is helping me focus. And they're a company that it really prides themselves on personal development and getting better, and you know that's what this channel is all about. So definitely recommend them. I'll leave a link in the bio. But more importantly than that, the Redcon 1 stuff, if you could use Tim's code, I always leave it in the description box. Also, Tim started a YouTube channel, so if you guys could go check him out, watch his videos, subscribe to his channel, it would mean a lot to me. Tim's a good friend of mine, and we have a lot of the same values. We both want to get better, improve daily, and he knows a lot more about fitness, health, and nutrition than I do. So if that's more your jam, he's definitely a channel to check out. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this shake now.
Tori teaspoon. I almost said Tori Sterling, which I am now too.
So first, like, technical meal really isn't a meal, but I'm gonna have a Quest bar. Just gonna do that for post-workout purposes. And we're gonna head to get the Jeep all cleaned up and washed, and gonna go get my haircut, so let's go. So we just stopped at Dunk's. The Quest bar was not enough for me. I actually had a second one, so I'll put the macros on the screen right now. Also, Dunkin' Donuts, we got a bagel with some veggie cream cheese and an almond milk latte. I just went with a power breakfast sandwich. Again, I'll put the macros on the screen for you. And now we're off to get the haircut and to give the little Jeep a bath. So right now we are headed to Kohl's and one other spot to potentially get a couple new blazers for work and or suits. I just need a couple more. We just tried Nordstrom Rack, but we want to keep our options open because they didn't have too much to choose from. Nothing that was like really like, oh my god, gotta have it. And plus it was a little pricey, so I'm just keeping my options open. Got the haircut, obviously. Nailed the gym, as you saw. So we're off to Kohl's. Here I have two suits. I have this gray one. It's a light gray. I really like the light gray look. And I'm just gonna go put this over here. And I also got this dark charcoal colored one. It's got a nice little pattern to it as well. So I got a bowl. I got sofritas, white rice, fajitas, hot and mild salsa. And so we've just been cleaning up. We're gonna have some like actual dinner, I guess you could call it, because I don't know, Chipotle was kind of like a weird timing meal. So I'm gonna have a cup of beans. I'm gonna measure that out. I'm not having this whole bowl. I'll have some chicken, and this sweet potato. I think there's rice. I'll also have a cup of white rice. I'm just gonna weigh everything on this food scale here, and obviously have a measuring cup for the beans and the rice. And I'll put my macros on the screen at the end of the meal when I talk to you. So I have about 10 ounces of chicken here, white rice, black beans, sweet potato, and a Gainer shake. Put the macros on the screen right here. There you are. Lily is having some sushi. Bring it around town.
Oh.
Okay, so Lily and I are playing some Jenga right now. So I'm having a protein shake with a side of a Quest bar, another one. Only because I've only had about 100 grams of protein so far, and I need to have another like 80 at least. So doubling up, baby. This Jenga set's pretty cool. It's like Red Sox. So there you have it. I will put my final macros right there and calories and all that good stuff. That's basically what I eat in a full day. Nothing super exciting or glamorous. That's why it's a realistic full day of eating. I didn't go anywhere fancy schmancy, except for Chipotle. That was glorious. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you got some value out of it, share it with a friend. That's the only way the channel is going to grow, guys. So I appreciate any and all help. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you next time. Signing off.